Yeah, this one is a bit of a hot mess and you guys are obviously picking up on it, but can you put your finger on why this feels off-putting? Tell you why? The placement of this photo. General rule of thumb for a picture this size is the center should sit at 58 to 62 inches in height. To give you some reference, the height of this headboard is probably at 52 inches, so this picture should be way lower. I would say just take it out. You don't need it. Or if this were my client and they were like, well, I just bought this photo, I don't want to get rid of it, I can't get my money back for it, what should I do with it, can we put it somewhere else? Say that this is a good enough size to take it from the top and put it down and just lean it at the bottom in the back of the nightstand. Typically speaking, having the leaning photo and the flowers is a lot. You need to put your glasses there, your retainer there, you're going to need a reading lamp, keep watching. And so why not take out the peonies and just use the peonies photo? That's why this picture feels a little bit off-putting. But for the user, for the person sleeping in this bed, this is another issue that they're going to run into. This light right here, aesthetically it looks nice, but practically speaking, it is not going to work out. I really thought it was going to be a nice reading light, but without a shade, this filament light bulb is just going to blast light and you're going to be laying in bed trying to read your book and it's going to feel like staring at a light bulb because you are. If this person is a nighttime reader, they should go back to this solution, remove the peonies, and add an end table lamp.